It's been a while since I've cooked with you guys, so cook with me today. I started off by cutting my sweet peppers, onions, scallions, and garlic. I also went ahead and grated some carrots. Before you say anything, I washed my hands before doing all this. I also cut up some hot pepper, and now I'm ready to get into it. Today I'll be making some chicken and shrimp pasta my way. I started off by cleaning the chicken and then cutting them into pieces. I did not have any breast, so I used what I had. And then I also cleaned the shrimp just to make sure that it was ready for me. Once I was done with everything, it was time for me to season the shrimp and the chicken. You do not have to separate them like I did. I just wanted to separate mine. So I went in with some Sloppy Mama seasoning. If you don't know about the seasoning, make sure you get it. It's a vibe. And thank me later if it's your first time using it. Then I went in with my chicken seasoning. As I said, anything I put in the chicken, I'm putting it in the shrimp. I also went in with some all-purpose seasoning as well. Last but not least, I went in with some chicken spice as well as some black pepper. I did not use much because the Sloppy Mama is very spicy, and then I also had hot peppers. If you've been around long enough, you know that I love to season my meat with my hand. Once I was done, I put the shrimp and the meat in the fridge to marinate a little bit until I was ready to cook. Cooking time, I added some salt, water, and oil and left it there to boil. In the meantime, I started frying up my chicken and my shrimp. Did not use a lot of oil, and I started off with the chicken first. I left it in the pot for about 5 to 10 minutes before taking it out. This is the pasta that I use. I like my pasta al dente, so I did not leave it for too long. After a few minutes, this was how my chicken was looking. So I took it out the pot and then I added my shrimp. In the meantime, I checked on my pasta. It was coming along very, very nicely. I left my shrimp to boil a little bit, so it was time for me to take it out. I tried to leave as much water as I could, and then I added the rest in the pasta for flavor. The pasta was ready, so it was time for me to finish my cooking. I started off by frying up my herbs. Did not put a lot of oil because it was not needed. I didn't think it was hot enough, so I added more spice. Once I got the herbs looking like this, I added my chicken and my shrimp. I sauteed for 30 seconds and then added my pasta. And basically that was it. If you plan on trying this and you want a little more color to it, you can always add some Sazon seasoning to give it that nice color. That's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to follow and see you guys in my next video. Bye.